Today for the Bitcoin, but more importantly, Ethereum price. We are going to talk about, and why am I saying we? I actually have a surprise guest. DaVinci J15.
We're in the putt 5x5.
We are going to talk about the Ethereum price and what is actually happening right now for Ethereum, because you know the deal. We are here for you in the moment it is necessary. And right now, before I'm coming to the most important question of the day, something crazy is happening for Ethereum. And this is something, it is on the daily candles, which doesn't happen every day, guys. This happens maybe once a year or so. This could be a good opportunity. So are we going to be involved in a fake out here? Or is Ethereum going to go significantly higher towards a very specific price target? I actually have to scroll to see it here. We will be talking about all of that with the one and only DaVinci J15. So before we are going to go into the charts, into our price targets, into our potential trades for Ethereum, I want to come to the most important question of the day. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
Ethereum's in the pipe, 5x5.
Exactly, man. And I mean, we are going to go into the charts, but in my opinion, Ethereum looks bullish. I posted that 3 days ago, people were laughing. When I posted it 1 day ago, people were not laughing anymore. And now we are actually breaking out here. I actually opened a trade myself. I will show it, but you will open a trade live in that video, right?
Exactly.
So guys, stick here with us until the very end. And if you want this kind of new innovative content where he's even opening a trade here on this phone live in the video, give us a little bit of feedback, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, comment, make noise for the algorithm. But now I wanted to go straight into the charts, guys. So stick here with us until the very end. And yeah, we are here on the daily candles for Ethereum. And I will take a little bit away and then you will tell me your thoughts, DaVinci, because you showed me this pattern here earlier. And I don't know why I didn't see it myself, because it's like a triangle which broke out already. I called that, but it's also a W pattern which is right now breaking out here on the daily. It seems like we are confirming. So please, DaVinci, elaborate a little bit on what is happening here right now for Ethereum, and then we are going to the price targets and of course our trading setup.
Definitely, as you can see, we have a clear breakout here. The daily hasn't closed yet, but that's still, you know what, it looks good. If we drop down to the 4 hour, I'm sure we've got a lot of close out 4 hour candle closes above the breakout target. So if you switch to the 4 hour, you can probably see a lot of 4 hour candles.
Yeah.
There you go. A lot of 4 hour candles have already broken out. We have already retraced and tested back tested the breakout level, and now we're off the races. This is insane. Now, the thing is, right? Let's go down. If you wanted to get into a trade, we need to go down to the lower time frames in order to get into a trade. Because I'm going to get into a trade right now. We need to figure out where I want to get into the trade. Now you're going to have to go to a little bit lower because we need to take, I know, I'm sorry, it's just that's just
15
the way
minutes.
Yeah,
I'm not going
minutes.
lower than the 15 minutes.
So as you can see, right, there is a lot of candles, a lot of candle wicks there at the bottom there. So I wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum comes back to retrace in that area. So that's where I'm going to open up my trade in today's video. I'm going to go and open up the
limit
trade.
order.
Yes, a limit order, right? Not a market buy, because I don't do market buys.
Oh man, I love it.
And you get the maximum from it because you know what? If you do a market buy on Bybit, you have to pay more on commissions than you would if you did a limit order. So I could see that 19880 is where the bottom is. So it'd go a little bit lower, like 78.
This is funny. This is my entry price, 1,978. Just a second, guys. Before, look at this. So, oh no, this is the Ethereum. This is the Ethereum trade, 1,977.
Wow!
Look at this,
and
20 cents. That's my entry price. And it's right now 57% in a profit. And below you can see also my trade over on Bybit here, my Bitcoin trade, $600,000 in profit. But look at this, the small Ethereum trade. I have to say it's always small because I know it's risky as AF, man. But it's funny. We have the same entry price.
Look at that. I didn't know that. So anyways,
I didn't show it to him. I didn't show it to him.
So I'm gonna do like I'm gonna do a small amount actually, because I want to, like, if I'm wrong, I want to re-enter into the trade, because you know what, you always play from a position of strength, and this is not exactly a hard position of strength. So I want to make sure I limit my possible losses should this thing not go through. So here I'm gonna hit the 250,000. I'm gonna hit the buy long, and I'm gonna hit the stop loss at approximately. Let's zoom back into the charts. I'm gonna hit the stop loss at the last wick there. That's
below the last wick, right?
Yeah, that last wick. See if I can. And I want to do it like not a high leverage long. Let's see here. If my long is too high, I'm gonna reduce it. 8, 5.
While you're
8.
doing that, I will want to pull out the measured move price target. And guys, take everything with a grain of salt. Make your own TA, of course. Like we are not telling you go long on Ethereum right now. We just document our process. We document what we are doing. That's what Da Vinci is doing. That's what I'm doing. And then you take this as additional inspiration within your TA process, because you want to be a grown-up individual making your own decisions and not making anyone responsible if things are going against us. Quickly before I'm going here into your chart, Da Vinci, maybe you can talk about that after your trade here. 2,600 is the price target, the measured move price target of this W breakout.
Yeah, so I've already have the trade open here. I've got the stop loss set to what was it? The 1885, I believe it was, and yeah, I want to take profits at the approximately the just below this the 2,500 level, like right at the 2,500, because I don't want to be at the 2,600 because it's just too close. So, but I'm gonna later modify the trade should I get into it once it gets to my entry point. If it doesn't get into my entry point, I'm not willing to chase.
Yeah, of course. You should never chase the markets. I was happy that I was awake back then and I got this price already. But man, I mean, you did so well not chasing the markets, because when a train is leaving this station and you try to jump on it, sometimes you are landing on the tracks, right? Mm-hmm. And you don't want to be landing on the tracks if you know that the next train is coming in 10 minutes. Exactly. So this is very important. This is a very important takeaway. So this is the pattern actually right now, which is breaking out. So let's wait and see if we are getting some follow through here. Da Vinci, you also said we are getting volume in actually, but it could be a little bit more. But here at the breakout area, if I'm pulling out the volume, there is volume coming in. It should be just a little bit more.
If you draw a line, you can see that there is a volume coming into this part from this top right there all the way down, or even that one. Well,
yeah.
You can see that the volume dropped, and now we're getting volume into this breakout,
which is already quite good to see. Once again, these are my trades. You saw also Da Vinci's trade. I think if it's gonna be hit, it might be successful, because this is my trade over on Phemex, because yeah, Ethereum is looking looking not all too bad. Just as my last question before we are wrapping it up here, 2,600, but is this the end of the game, or do you think there are even higher price targets for Ethereum?
No, Ethereum is going to like 10, 20,000 at least, right?
In this bull cycle, right?
Yeah, exactly, before we see the end of the bull cycle. Probably going to do something crazier than that, because of what all the use cases that it is used for. So, and you know, banks are using it, and you know what, it's used for NFTs, it's used for everything. So we're going to see some crazy numbers on Ethereum. And I made a BitBoy collaboration recently at the moment where everyone was bearish, and we said, hey guys, wait, like everyone is bearish, even news articles being bearish about Ethereum. Well, maybe that's the moment where we should be looking out for Ethereum. And now you can see it, guys. Check the video I made with BitBoy. It seems like it's true. Like when the majority is against something with fundamentals, you should get a little bit vigilant. Also wanted to remind you quickly, guys, if you go down in the pinned comment, you will find this link here, davincij15.com. You get access to the Telegram group. You get access like to Pandora's wallet, to his like live streams earlier. Just go to davincij15.com, click these links, check out Pandora's wallet and everything. It's just directly below here in the pinned comment, below these $700 bonuses, where you can trade with this free margin after clicking these links, after your initial deposit as an experienced trader. $700 for free. By clicking the link today, you are always eligible for the highest bonuses. And yeah, if just click read more, and directly below I have davincij15's BitChute, I have the token, I have Pandora's wallet. It's like everything you need down below in the pinned comment down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for sticking until the very end, and thanks Da Vinci for coming to Dubai finally. It's been great here so far. It's only been a day, but you know what? Every day here in Dubai is great.
Exactly. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.
You forgot something.